This next problem comes from homework 03, and it is problem number 15, where we are asked to prove our limit of the function 4 over x as x approaches 7 is equal to 4/7. And so we're also going to use the definition of a limit in this one, which tells us that the absolute value of our function f of x minus L is less than epsilon. So our L is going to be this one, and of course 4 over x is our function. And so we're going to plug that into this one, and we'll get that because it's absolute value, we're going to have a negative epsilon and a positive. So we'll have negative epsilon is less than 4 over x, and minus L, which is 4/7, which is less than positive epsilon. And so we're trying to get x by itself, so we'll do like we always do in a simple equation and add. First, add to get 4/7 out, so we'll have 4 over 7 minus epsilon, with leaving us with 4x in the middle, and then 4/7 plus epsilon. And then we're going to multiply by x, so we'll have x times 4/7 minus epsilon, less than 4 in the middle, 4/7 plus epsilon, and I'll put my x on this side. And so we need to get x back in the middle and get 4 out, so we divide by x and bring 4 back over, and that's going to give us 28 over 4 plus 7 epsilon, which is less than x, which is less than 28 over 4 minus 7 epsilon. And those would be our bounds. For the latter part of question number 15, we are asked to find delta, and delta is the distance from c equals 7 to the nearer endpoint of our bounds, which is 28 over 4 plus 7 epsilon and 28 over 4 minus 7 epsilon. And so because it's the distance, we're subtracting, and so 7 is our c, and so 7 minus each of our bounds. And so if we simplify that, we're going to get 49 epsilon over 4 plus 7 epsilon, and that's going to be absolute value, and then negative 49 epsilon over 4 minus 7 epsilon, and it's going to be the minimum of one of those. And the delta of the value of 49 epsilon over 4 plus 7 epsilon fits the inequality of 0 less than the absolute value of x minus 7, which is less than delta, and it will place x in our bounds to make the absolute value of 4 over x minus 4 over 7, which is less than epsilon, which was what we wanted because that's in the definition of a limit. And so because this value exists, it proves that the limit as x approaches 7 of our function is 4 over 7, which was the point of this whole entire problem. And that's what we wanted, so we got it.